Please introduce.
Good afternoon, my name is Aalisha Simran. I've done my engineering in JSS Academy of Technical Education. I've done information science. I passed out in the year 2020.
When did you join GRID?
I joined it in November. It was for a duration of 3 months from November till February 2021 this year.
How did you join?
I came to know about GRID through a family friend. He referred me over here since he knew that it's a good place, and actually I've learned a lot over here. I've learned many skills. I could enhance whatever I knew in the college, like about SQL, other technologies like machine learning, Python. Plus we even did projects on it. So it was very helpful for me.
How did you learn in quick time?
In a quick time, I have guidance over here which was very helpful. So any doubt that occurred in the project, we could clearly ask him. So it was very helpful over that.
Have you done any project?
Yes, we've done one project, 1 to 2 projects I've done. So by that I knew how to write code and how to represent it. All that was done.
How you are able to do in a short time this project?
In a short time, that was because I could understand the concepts well. Plus, whatever doubt I had in the project, I could even clear it out well. It was a very good guidance. A mixture of both helped me in clearing the project well.
How many interviews you attended?
I've attended like 2 interviews, one in Tata and one more in Mindtree. For Tata, I got a role of internship for a period of 3 months. And for Mindtree, now I've been selected as a software engineer.
You have already joined the company now?
Yeah, I've joined it. Yesterday was my first date of joining.
Yeah, so how is the package?
Yeah, the package is 3.5 lakh as a fresher.
Can any fresher can do project in GRID R&D in a shortest time?
Yes, if he puts in his effort to learn the things, so it's not a problem to do any project.
What are your tips to the freshers?
Okay, so tips is basically hard work, their interest in learning. It's not anything hard that they can't do coding or something. It's all about the interest, and the guidance is required. So I think that's the best place over here.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.